Okay, so this is secondary audio test for the KlarkTeknik DN410. It is Saturday, July 7th at 11:37 a.m. Pacific time. Just received the EQ back. And let's see, according to the note, it says the DN410 does not provide any audio throughput unless the power switch is in the off position. So the power switch is definitely on now, and we will run some audio.
If that's all we have, you will find we need nothing more. Every step of the way,
First side is working.
we'll find us.
Side appears to be
Of the world far behind us, we have all the time in the world. Just for now,
some time.
nothing more, nothing less. Love.
Appears to work perfectly. The only thing is that it looks like the buyer did damage the rack gear from when it was sent. Clearly in the eBay picture, it does not look like that. Okay, bye.